Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sneha, I'm a freelance makeup artist based in London, and today I'm going to talk about Merit Beauty products, specifically their brand new moisturizer. This is their Great Skin Priming Moisturizer. So if you'd like to hear more about this and their glow serum and other Merit products, then please continue watching. So this is me barefaced. I've just toned my face with the Bobbi Brown Soothing Toner. So I'm first going to use the Instant Glow Serum. So as you can see, it's a biphasal product. I'm just going to give it a good shake. And don't be fooled by the name serum. It doesn't feel as heavy, if that makes sense. It almost has the texture of water. So be very careful when you're pumping it onto your hands. Make sure that you have enough of a well so that the product lands here and not everywhere on your table. So it comes in this glass bottle with a pump attached. Now, this is described as a lightweight serum that instantly hydrates and plumps up the skin. And what I absolutely love about the serum is that it doesn't feel heavy on the skin and has zero residue while still hydrating the skin. It contains 4 types of hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture and also niacinamide to smooth out the texture of the skin. It also contains caffeine seed extract, which helps in plumping up the skin. And over time, this serum promotes a healthy skin barrier. So I'm going to take about 1 or 2 pumps of this in my hands. So there you go. You can see how liquidy the product is. It just easily moves around. So 2 pumps is what I've taken. Get my hair out of the way. Massage that in. It has a fragrance to it. Not sure what it smells like. Provides a lovely glow to the skin. Has a radiant finish. Whatever's left on my hands, I'm just going to take it on my neck as well. And this is what just the serum looks like. It's added a beautiful radiant glow to my skin. So I'm going to let this soak in for about 5 minutes and I'll be right back. And again, as I mentioned, I cannot feel it on the skin, which is what I really enjoy about this serum. Next, moving on to the brand new product from Merit. This is their Great Skin Priming Moisturizer. Comes in a plastic container this time with a pump as well. It's described as a lightweight moisturizer that soothes the skin barrier and has time-release hydration to maintain the moisture levels throughout the day. It contains oat extract and glycerine to help soothe and moisturize skin. It also contains hyaluronic acid to provide deep hydration. It contains peptides, spermidine, and barrier polysaccharides to help support the appearance of skin elasticity, firmness, and tone. The biomimetic emulsifiers give a blurred cashmere-like finish. It basically means that it mimics the cellular organization on the skin surface to create like a stable emulsion, which is excellent for makeup application. So I'm going to start off with 1 pump of the moisturizer. Again, taking it on my hand. Might need more, so I'm going to take a second pump. So I'm going to use about 2 pumps of the moisturizer. My skin is going to turn red just because of the massage. Again, taking the leftover down the neck. And this is what my skin looks like after the serum and the moisturizer. And again, with this product, I don't feel like anything's sitting on my skin. It just feels very lightweight and that it's soaked up into my skin, but still imparting a beautiful glow. Now, it's been a couple of minutes since I've applied my skincare. Next, I'm going in with the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Sticks, I believe. So I've got 2 shades. I'm going to use Khaki All Over as my base shade. And then I'm going in with the shade Camel to highlight the center of my face, use as my under eye concealer. So I've already done a full in-depth review for these complexion sticks, which I'm going to link somewhere on the screen. I think it's this side or this side, but it'll be up on the screen for you to click through if you'd like to see the wear test. But I'm just going to speed up through this. By the way, if you want to try these products from Merit Beauty, I will definitely leave a link in the description box below. And also know that with your first order, you also get a free makeup pouch or bag, which is really cool. So you just untie it like this, and then you can have your products in here. Also, just side note, I absolutely love this Merit brush. I believe it's called brush number 1. Really good for just applying your base products really quickly. Great paired with the complexion sticks. Another absolute favorite product of mine is their blush balms, and in particular the shade Fox. This is what it looks like. It's a great everyday neutral kind of tone, which goes well with all kinds of makeup, at least on my skin tone. So I generally like to apply it with a brush, but you can also technically go in just like that. So I'm just going to run the tips of the brush along the blush, get some product, apply it. This just blends so easily. That's it. Literally took me like 2 seconds to apply the blush. And it's buildable, so I'm just going in with a second wash, gradually building it up. And what I really love about this formula is that because it has a lovely glow to it, you can almost skip using highlighter on an everyday basis. So this has definitely been my go-to blush. So I'm just going to quickly set the entire face with some powder off camera, and I'll be back to complete the lip. And last but definitely not the least, I'm going in with the Merit Signature Matte Lip. And this is in the shade Mason. This is what that looks like. Beautiful berry tone. It feels very lightweight on the lips, but yet has good coverage or good pigmentation. And feels quite hydrating for a matte lipstick. I've just added some mascara, and this is the final look. In conclusion, I've really enjoyed all the products from Merit Beauty. And specifically, if I had to talk about the Great Skin Priming Moisturizer, I do think it's a nice, lightweight moisturizer that feels lightweight in terms of the texture, but at the same time, it provides deep hydration to the skin and also promotes skin barrier. So I think it's a win-win. This would probably suit all skin types, just depends on how you prep your skin in terms of how much you use and what are the products you mix it in with. But overall, a great moisturizer. But I really hope this video was helpful to you. And if you have any questions related to the products I've used, please leave it in the comment section below. Also, if you found this video helpful, do give this video a thumbs up. It definitely helps the channel. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.